Which one is best in 2026? Choosing the right email delivery service is one of the most important decisions you'll make if you build apps, manage e-commerce stores, or run marketing campaigns. In 2026, the options are more diverse than ever, but three names keep coming up: NodeMailer, Resend, and Sendgrid. Each has its strengths and each fits a slightly different use case. Today we're going to break down how they stack up, what they do best, and which one you might actually need in 2026. Let's start with NodeMailer. NodeMailer isn't a hosted email service, it's a library for Node.js that lets developers send emails from their applications. Because it's a library, you get full control over how emails are constructed and sent. It works with SMTP servers and can be paired with any compatible service. That means if you want a highly customized email workflow, NodeMailer gives you the flexibility to do it. For developers building applications where email is part of the core functionality, like account verification, password resets, or transactional messages, NodeMailer remains a go-to. The biggest advantage of NodeMailer is that it's open source and free. You're not tied to a vendor and you can connect to any SMTP provider you choose. But that flexibility comes with responsibility. You need to manage your email reputation, handle bounce tracking, and deal with deliverability challenges yourself. In 2026, many teams are comfortable doing this because it gives them maximum control. But it also means more setup and maintenance compared to hosted services. Next up is Resend, a relatively new player that has gained significant traction because it combines power with simplicity. Resend is a hosted email delivery API that was built with modern development workflows in mind. It's designed to work seamlessly with serverless architectures and frameworks like Next.js, and it offers features like automatic bounce handling, built-in analytics, and developer-friendly SDKs. The key difference between Resend and NodeMailer is that Resend manages the infrastructure and deliverability for you. Resend's biggest selling point is how easy it is to get started. With a simple API and straightforward documentation, developers can start sending emails in minutes without worrying about SMTP configs or maintaining mail servers. Resend also offers preview tools, delivery logs, and webhook support, which make production monitoring and debugging simpler. For teams that want to focus on building features rather than managing email infrastructure, Resend has become a compelling choice. Finally, we have Sendgrid, one of the most established email delivery platforms in the world. As a cloud-based email service, Sendgrid has a long track record of handling both transactional and marketing emails at scale. It offers robust APIs, advanced analytics, AI-assisted optimization tools, built-in unsubscribe management, IP warm-up, and a suite of deliverability tools that help ensure your emails hit inboxes rather than spam folders. Sendgrid shines for larger businesses and teams that need enterprise-grade features, multi-region delivery, and advanced compliance tools. It's not just an email API, it's a platform with dashboards, templates, suppression lists, and support for high-volume sending. Because of that, it also tends to be more expensive than Resend, especially as your volume grows. So how do these three compare in 2026? If you're a developer who wants maximum control and minimal vendor lock-in, and you're comfortable configuring SMTP servers or integrating with providers of your choice, NodeMailer is a strong option. It's flexible and free, but it requires more work to manage deliverability and reputation. If you want fast setup, modern API design, built-in delivery tracking, and minimal infrastructure management, Resend is often the best choice for developers and smaller teams. It hits the sweet spot between developer experience and reliability. If your needs include large-scale sending, advanced marketing tools, analytics, deliverability optimization, and enterprise support, Sendgrid remains hard to beat. For businesses that send millions of emails, use segmented campaigns, and rely on deliverability tools, Sendgrid's robust ecosystem and tools help maintain inbox placement and compliance. In 2026, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best tool depends on what you're building and how much control you want. For raw control, NodeMailer. For simplicity and modern workflows, Resend. For full-featured enterprise delivery, Sendgrid. If this comparison helped you choose the right email tool for your needs, leave a like and subscribe for more honest tech tool reviews. And tell me in the comments, Which one are you planning to use in 2026 and why? Stay smart, optimize your stack, and I'll see you in the next one.